everyone, I'm Mari. I'm here in my kitchen at the Hampstead Hill. Today I'm making coconut cream pie. This pie is sweet with a rich coconut filling, and it has that little kick of rum that's going to give you that slightly tropical taste that you are going to love. And this is an easy pie. You can dump everything in the bowl, put it in the pie crust, done. So let's make it. The first step to this pie is a pie crust. Now I'm taking a shortcut. I admit it, I'm using a store-bought pie crust, and I have put this on a baking sheet with some tin foil just in case any spills over the top. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put it in there for 10 minutes just to par bake it a little bit, and then take it out, let it cool for just a minute, and then we'll put the ingredients in it. While the pie crust is par baking, I'm gonna get you down here and show you how to make the pie filling. All right, so in a good medium-sized bowl, I'm going to pour in 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I use salted butter, so that way I don't really have to add any salt to the pie filling. And then I have 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. This is a super easy kind of dump it all in the bowl recipe. Then I have coconut. This is 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut. Gonna dump that in there. Just mixing this up a little bit. This is an old Southern recipe. I've had it for a long time. My mom gave it to me quite a while ago. She is a wonderful cook. She still is. Okay, now to this I have 3 eggs, well beaten. Okay, and I have, let me see, is this the rum? Yes, that's the rum. It smells so good. Teaspoon of vanilla. This is about a teaspoon of rum. It is not much. If you want to leave the rum out, you can do that. It will not, I mean, this pie is still going to taste phenomenal, but I do like putting just a little kick of rum in there because I think it's going to give it a little something extra. All right, now let's stir this all up. That is it. That's everything. That's everything that goes in the pie. And now I'm just gonna wait a few more minutes until my crust is done. Not done, but par baked. I'm gonna take it out of the oven, let it cool for just a minute. And then we're gonna put this together and bake it in the oven. The par baked crust is done. And just in case you didn't know what par baked means, it just means to pre-bake it for, I don't know, a little bit just to kind of get the crust started, especially if something has to bake in the oven for a longer period of time. That's all that means. I wanted to add that the rum I used is a dark rum. I've never tried this with a light rum, but I imagine it would taste just as good. This is just Meyer's original dark rum. You can use whatever kind of rum you want, or like I said, you really can leave this out. This pie, in fact, the recipe, this old recipe, does not even call for rum, but I just like that. I don't know, I just like that little kick it gives it. I think you might like it too, but feel free to leave it out if you want. Now it's time to put the filling in the pie crust. So let me get you down here and show you how to do it. Okay. So like I said, here is my pie crust. And this is I think this is a 9 or 10 inch pie crust. All right, now I'm going to put the pie filling in here. This is not a deep dish pie crust. It's just your regular standard pie crust. Okay, I want to get every little bit out of here. This pie smells good and it's not even cooked yet. You're gonna love it. Okay, there we go. All right. Now I am going to, like I said, my oven is 350 degrees. I'm gonna cook it for 35 to 40 minutes and I will be back when it's done. The pie is done. And I took it out of the that metal pie pan that the crust was in and just put it in this nicer pie plate just to zhuzh it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna cut it and then we are going to give it a taste. Be right back. Cut us a slice of pie. Ooh. And now my taste tester and I, my husband, AKA my husband, are gonna taste the pie and let you know how great it is. Ready? Forks up.
You go first.
Thank you. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh gosh, it's so good. Tell me if you taste the rum when you taste it. I want another piece. Another bite, I mean. Oh, what do you think?
I really don't.
You don't taste the rum?
No.
I taste the rum. But you don't drink
A little
that.
aftertaste.
Right? A little bit?
No, not much at all. Barely there.
That's good though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, this is delicious. Whether you taste the rum or not, I taste it. It's still good, either way. All right, well that wraps up our video for today. Thank you so very much for watching. We really appreciate your time. Love to have you subscribe. And if you like the video, give us a like and a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, make a coconut rum pie. You're gonna love it. Bye.